Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all the cooking enthusiasts out there. If you're looking for the best cooking paper for your oven, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the world of Katbite heavy-duty flat parchment paper. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or grilling your favorite meats, this parchment paper promises to enhance your cooking experience. Let's take a closer look at what makes Katbite's parchment paper stand out. This pack comes with 200 sheets, each measuring 12 by 16 inches, perfectly sized to fit standard half-sheet pans. The sheets are made from 100% natural wood pulp and are unbleached, ensuring they are safe and non-toxic for all your baking needs. That's right, no harsh chemicals here. One of the standout features of this parchment paper is its impressive dual food-grade silicone coating. This not only makes it non-stick but also significantly enhances its durability. Each sheet is 45 grams, which is 12% thicker than many other options on the market. This thickness ensures that it can withstand high heat without tearing or burning, making it ideal for all types of cooking methods, whether you're baking, frying, or even using an air fryer. Now, let's talk about how easy this parchment paper is to use. The sheets come pre-cut, so you don't have to waste time measuring and cutting. Just pull out a sheet, lay it down on your baking tray, and you're ready to go. This convenience is a game changer, especially when you're in the middle of baking sessions or trying to get dinner on the table quickly. The Katbite parchment paper is also oven and microwave safe, which means it can handle a variety of cooking environments. You can use it to bake cakes, cookies, and pizzas, or even to line dishes for steaming. The best part? Your food will slide right off the parchment without leaving a sticky mess behind, making cleanup a breeze. Another fantastic feature is that this parchment paper is grease-proof and waterproof. It effectively prevents leaks and spills from ruining your dishes, so you can focus on what really matters: delicious food. Plus, the packaging is designed to be not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing, which adds a nice touch to your kitchen. In summary, the Katbite heavy-duty flat parchment paper is an essential kitchen tool for anyone who loves to cook or bake. It's safe, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle all your culinary needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, having this parchment paper on hand will elevate your cooking experience and make your meals even more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and are ready to elevate your cooking game with Katbite parchment paper, make sure to check it out using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!